안녕하세요 여러분 반갑습니다. 토픽 갤러리에 오신 것을 환영합니다. 자, 오늘은 492번 문제를 풀어보도록 하겠습니다. Okay, so let's try to answer the 492 of the POA reviewer po guys. And yung question po niya dito is 다음 표지판이 있는 곳에서 지켜야 할 사항은 무엇입니까? Okay, so yung pinaka-key dyan sa question na iyan guys is yung 지켜야 할 사항. Okay, so 지켜야, yung verb natin dyan is 지켜 from the verb 지키다. Okay, 지키다 which means to follow or to keep, no? Or sundin. Okay, kinonjugate siya into yaha, so that is why naging jikyo yung form niya. Okay, so kinonjugate siya sa yaha na yung ibig sabihin naman ng grammar na yan ay have to. So if you say jikyo yaha, meaning have to keep or kailangang sundin. And then the lir dyan sa baba ng ha, it just means na guys, na. Okay, so na or modifier future tense. So in English that means will, no? Yung meaning ng lir dyan guys, will. Okay, okay. And sahang, it means things or matters. Okay, so if you say jikyoya har sahang, okay, so the things that you will have to keep or yung mga bagay na kailangan mong sundin. Okay, so based dito sa nakasulat sa signage po, okay, so hahanapin mo dyan sa choices kung ano yung kailangan mong sundin. Okay, kumbaga kung true statement, no? Yun ba yung thought dyan? Okay, 자, 이 문제가 초보자에게 어려울 것 같습니다. Okay, so I think it would be difficult for beginners, but for those who are doing review now, who finish book 1, book 2, so it might be easy na lang sa inyo. Okay, so tingnan natin yung nakasulat dito sa ano guys, sa signage. 속도를, okay, 속도, okay, 속도를 줄이시오. Okay, so the word 속도, okay, speed, no? Speed, yung bilis, and then 줄이시오. Okay, so yung verb dyan is 줄이다, to reduce, okay, to decrease, okay, pababaan. So if you say 속도를 줄이다, which means to decrease or to reduce the speed, and 시오, it just a short form of ship시오 guys, no, which means please. Okay, so 속도를 줄이시오, okay, please reduce the speed. Okay, pababaan yung speed. So dyan pa lang sa ano nyan guys, sa sinasabi na yan, so you can find the correct answer already, no, dito sa choices. So yung ginagawa natin dito guys is we are trying to go into detail. Okay, kasi para mas ma-practice pa natin yung mga vocabs, no? Okay, so dito 사고 많은 곳. Okay, so 사고 guys yung magkasama dyan, and that means accident. And 많은 곳, okay, yung 많은, okay, yung verb dyan, yung descriptive verb is 많다. Okay, so which means a lot. And then yung un dyan, naka-modifier form na naman siya, it just means na. Okay, and 곳 means place, no? So kahit isa-isa yan guys, may mga ibig sabihin pala yan, no? So for example, a place na maraming accident. Okay, so please reduce your speed. Okay, it is a place that has a lot of accident, or it's a place where a lot of accidents happen. Okay, so ngayon hahanapin natin dyan sa mga choices kung ano ba yung dapat nating i-keep or sundin na bagay in order to avoid accident. Okay, for number 1, 1번, 직진하면 안 됩니다. Okay, so magkapareha lamang po guys ng dulo, yung 1 hanggang sa number 4, puro 안 되다, 안 됩니다, 안 됩니다, 안 됩니다, 안 됩니다. Okay, so yung ibig sabihin lamang po niyan is not allowed. Okay, not and 됩니다 In this context, it means allowed. So if you say 안 됩니다, 안 돼요, not allowed. So hindi daw pwede, and then 직진하면. Okay. So 직진하다 is to go straight. Okay, and then the 면, it means if. So if you combine all, 직진하면 안 됩니다. So if you go straight, not allowed. Okay, so ganun ba yung sinabi sa signage, guys? Sinabi lang naman niya is reduce your speed. Okay, so therefore number 1 is not the correct answer. Ibon, number 2, 길을 건너면 안 됩니다. Okay, 길을 건너면 안 됩니다. So 길을 건너다, kikil, street, and konno, yung verb natin dyan, from the verb konnoda, which means to cross. Okay, so tumawid. And again, ang myon, guys, it means if. Okay, so if tatawid ka sa street, if you cross the street, 안 됩니다. Okay, 자, 이런 얘기가 없습니다. So walang ganitong sinabi, guys, dito sa signage. 이번이 아닙니다. So hindi, number 2, 3번, number 3, 빨리 운전하면 안 됩니다. Okay, 빨리 운전하면, 빨리, quickly. Okay, 운전하다, yung verb 운전하다, to drive, and 면 안 됩니다, not allowed if. Okay, so not allowed if you drive quickly. Okay, so ganito ba yung sinabi, guys? May ganito bang sinabi? Yes, no, meron, kasi sabi niya dito, reduce your speed. So therefore, you are not allowed to drive quickly. So therefore, number 3 yung tamang sagot natin dito, guys. 정답은 3번입니다. Okay, not number 4 kasi 술을 많이 마시면 안 됩니다. So 술 is alcohol, yung mga alcohol drinks. 많이, a lot, then 마시면. Okay, 마시면, 마시, yung verb dyan, 마시다, to drink. So 면, if. So if you drink a lot of alcohol, 안 됩니다, not allowed. Okay, so walang ganung sinabi dyan. Okay, so number 3 yung tamang sagot natin, guys.